Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you been seeing this on your MetaTrader 5 and you are confused? Yes, it's confusion because when I first saw it, was confusion. It is called trade history. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to my MT5 to show you how to turn this off and turn it on whenever you want it. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my MetaTrader 5. That's MT5 because I'm using MT5 but you can check whether you can also do the same setting on your MT4 if you're using MT4, but I'm using MT5. So I'm going to take you guys to my MT5 and show you guys how I remove this dot tick, this three, and how I put it on whenever I need it. So if this kind of video you want to watch and you find it very interesting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. Don't comment yet until I show you what I'm about to show you now. So let me take you guys to my MetaTrader 5 and show you guys how to turn on this setting. Let's go. So guys, to do this, to remove this tick, open your MetaTrader 5. When you open your MetaTrader 5, my own is loading network. Okay. When you open your MetaTrader 5, this was a trade I took on BTC. As you can see the tick. As you can see the ticks. So all you have to do now, click on do setting, come to setting, click on setting here, tap on setting, then scroll up till you find where the right chart. Click on chart, then scroll up till you see where the right trade history. So I'm going to turn this off now and then take you guys to my chart, and you see that you don't see that ticks again. So I'm going to turn this off now. So let's go back to my chart and see whether the trade history will see appear on my chart. So I'll just click on charts so to save our time. Are you seeing that? I didn't see that again. So now let me turn it on again so you guys will see that it will see appear. So I go back to setting, scroll up, go to charts, tap on charts, scroll up, then toggle on trade history. And now let me go back to my chart. Let me see whether this is true again. Have you seen it? It has shown. So this is how you can do yours. Just tap on the setting, go to chart, scroll up, turn on the trade history or turn it off, turn it on or turn it off, depending on whenever you need it and however you need it. So let me tell you guys let's go back to the video and continue. So thank you all for watching this video. I guess this video was insightful. I guess it was helpful. So if this video really helped you a lot and you learned something new today from this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because this is my YouTube channel. I document my forex journey and it's a whole lot of fun and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe to the channel and drop in the comments whether this video was helpful, insightful, beneficial, and don't forget to share it to your friend, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your fellow trader that have been battling with this setting. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.